A dime a dozen. It means something is very common, easily available, because it's so abundant. For example, cheap pens are a dime a dozen at that store. Barking up the wrong tree. It means blaming the wrong person or pursuing the wrong course of action. For example, if you think I'm the one who broke the vase, you are barking up the wrong tree. To end in smoke. It means a plan, or effort, fails completely or produces no result. For example, all their plans to start a business ended in smoke. Call it a day. It means to stop working or doing an activity for the time being, usually because you feel it's enough for now or you are tired. For example, it's already 8 p.m., time to call it a day. See eye to eye. It means to agree completely with someone. For example, they finally saw eye to eye on how to manage the project. Cost an arm and a leg. It means something is very expensive or overpriced. For example, that designer bag cost an arm and a leg. Burn the midnight oil. It means to stay up late working or studying, especially to finish something important. For example, I had to burn the midnight oil to prepare for the exam. An axe to grind. It means having a selfish or personal reason behind what someone is saying or doing. For example, she's not just being helpful, she has an axe to grind. Make a clean breast of it. It means to confess something honestly, especially a mistake or wrongdoing, and hide nothing. For example, if you make a clean breast of it, people will trust you again. A cock and bull story. It means a false, exaggerated, or ridiculous story that is hard to believe. For example, she told a cock and bull story to avoid punishment. By hook or by crook. It means to achieve something by any means necessary, whether the way is fair or unfair, right or wrong. For example, I'll finish this project by hook or by crook. Take to one's heels. It means to run away quickly, usually to escape from danger or trouble. For example, she took to her heels when the dog started chasing her. Like a fish out of water. It means to feel uncomfortable, or out of place, or awkward in a new or unfamiliar situation. For example, at the formal party, I felt like a fish out of water. To make both ends meet. It means to earn just enough money to live on, especially when it's difficult to do so. For example, it's hard to make both ends meet on such a low salary. A hard nut to crack. It refers to a difficult problem, person, or situation that is hard to deal with, solve, or understand. For example, that math problem was a hard nut to crack. Put the cart before the horse. It means to do things in the wrong order, or to reverse the proper sequence of actions. For example, planning the wedding before the proposal is putting the cart before the horse. Make up one's mind. It means to decide or to come to a conclusion, especially after thinking for a while. For example, I can't make up my mind about which dress to wear. Turn a deaf ear. It means to ignore or refuse to listen to what someone is saying, especially when they are giving advice, warnings, or requests. For example, you shouldn't turn a deaf ear when someone asks for help. With a high hand. It means to act in an arrogant manner, often without considering others' opinions or feelings. For example, he ruled the office with a high hand. Laugh one's head off. It means to laugh very loudly and uncontrollably. For example, we were laughing our heads off at the comedy show. Through thick and thin. It means to support someone or stay committed in all kinds of situations, whether they are good or bad, easy or difficult. For example, true friends stand by you through thick and thin. By leaps and bounds. It means to grow or progress very quickly and significantly. For example, her English has improved by leaps and bounds. To beat about the bush. It means to avoid talking directly about the main point or issue, usually because it's uncomfortable, difficult, or unpleasant. For example, he kept beating about the bush when asked about the mistake. A bolt from the blue. It means a sudden and unexpected event. For example, her sudden decision to move abroad was a bolt from the blue. Spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret or disclose confidential information, often accidentally or unintentionally. For example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party.